Alright guys, today we're going to take a look at another really nice profitable trade from today's morning session. I'm going to try to outline for you my thought process on what I did today to potentially stay out of a lot of chop, and more importantly guys and gals, I'm going to show you once and for all my profit grid. I am telling you, this profit grid, which anybody can layer onto their chart, is the only way to truly master risk reward. You've heard me say this a million times, guys. If you want to make money in the market and you want to achieve consistency, right? Consistency meaning you want to try your level best to become profitable and be profitable every day, then you have to master risk reward. There's no other way to do it. Okay, so let's get into it, folks. Today is Tuesday, November 7th. What an incredible bull run we've had in the last few trading sessions. It's been a day trader's dream. My name is Mark at DynoTrading, and as always, it is good to be with you. And first things first, what you're seeing on the screen is today's live price action chart with my live trades layered onto the chart. And this green and red color band that you see overlaid on the chart is our proprietary volume indicator profile. You've heard me say this before as well, right? Without a volume profile, guys, you cannot and you will not be able to detect the trend direction. You understand? Like, for me personally, and maybe this is my own opinion, so feel free to agree or disagree with me if you'd like to. I believe, okay, and what's been extremely successful for me is being able to get the direction right. For me, it's a must. If I don't know the direction or I can't guess the direction, then guess what? I'm not going to trade that day. You understand? It has got to be crystal clear for me. And that's why a lot of my customers and clients love this volume indicator color band. I mean, it is superb. It's world class at getting the direction right. Okay, now in a few seconds I'm going to come back and show you this live trade from today, but first I want to walk you through my thought process on what happened in the overnight session. Okay, so you guys know this market's been on a tear, and like many of you, I am simply befuddled, like I'm confused and bewildered by the strength that this market is showing. I mean, this market is destroying anybody who is trying to short this market. If you tried to short this market, man, anytime over the last 5 days, you got your face chopped off. All right, and I'm going to show you why volume can actually give you clues on the market direction that day. Okay, so here's early morning. All right, this is like 5 o'clock in the morning. This is when you can get some really nice clues on what's happening. So let me take you through my thought process. Okay, you can see here the volume indicator turns red, right? You can see it transition from green into red. But look at how short this red was, right? I mean, look at how short and how flat the price action was during this red, and then kaboom, when it turns green, it just roars, like it surges on the green. Okay, and let me tell you why this is important. Okay, there's a theory that I follow called buy the dip, sell the rip, and my gut was telling me that based on this price action where the sellers simply didn't do anything and the buyers just came in and hammered the sellers, gave me a clue that making any attempt to try to short the market today probably wasn't going to work out, right? This was just my clue. Remember, this was my trading bias for the day. And more importantly, guys, I want to draw your attention to these two arrows you see, okay? So this arrow, you guys already know, this is a retracement, long. But look at where the volume indicator turns red. Can you guys see this bar right here? You see how the volume turns red, but it happens on a green bar. So this was my second clue that the buyers were firmly in control of this market, and I'm not taking any shorts today. You understand? I mean, listen, sometimes the market is just telling you something and you've got to pick up on it. Like my gut was just telling me, do not trade short today. Okay? So you can see what happened next, right? Like the volume indicator turned green here, and I honestly was not expecting any retracements, like none. I was just convinced that, look, the market's going to keep running long and strong like it did last week. It's just going to surge all the way up today. And boy, was I surprised when I saw the market retrace. You guys know retracements, right? I mean, at least I hope you do. you've been watching the videos. Boy, was I surprised when the market gave me a perfect retracement setup right over here. All right, man. I mean, I honestly thought when I first saw this, I thought this was too good to be true. But remember, the way that I trade, I just pounce. All right? No second guessing myself, no thinking about it, I just pounce. All right? So here's the moment of truth, man. I really want you guys to learn this, all right? This profit grid, all right? So this right here is the entry. You can see the NinjaTrader markers here, okay? And this is the stop loss. All right? So 1-to-1 is right there, 2-to-1 is right there, 3-to-1 is right there, and 4-to-1 is right there. Okay, this is what I call the profit grid. And guys, you must start drawing this out on a daily basis. It's stupid simple, right? How long did this take? Like a couple seconds, right? And so when you have these profit grid lines already drawn out, then you have become mechanical with your trading for the rest of the session. You already know that as soon as it hits 1-to-1, you take profits. You can see that's exactly what I did. Take profits on position 1. Bagged an easy 100-something ticks real quick. And then the second half, man, I move the stop loss to break even so that no matter what happens, I cannot lose on this trade. I just cannot lose. This is a guaranteed winning trade as soon as you manage your risk, okay? And the second half of my position, you guys can see it here, take profits, trade number 2, boom, bagged another 100-something ticks. All right, man. I mean, it was too easy. And look at the time, right? You guys can see the timestamp here. It's still only 9:30, 9:40 in the morning. We are done with trading 200 ticks by 9:30 in the morning. Okay? So you guys can hopefully tell, man, this isn't complicated. I mean, this is one of the most simplistic but incredibly powerful indicators and systems you're ever going to get your hands on. And every day I try my best, guys, to educate you and walk you through my thought process, why I take the trades, why I might skip a trade, how to navigate through potential chop, and more important, how to maybe implement your trading bias when the market gives you clues. All right, so I hope a lot of you guys out there caught this trade on the volume indicator. This thing is an absolute dream, and I simply cannot wait to show you more trading setups tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.